Stacy Bum Bum here again. Phase 2 of the blizzard of 09. Blizzard's over, the sun is shining, it's a beautiful day, and there's a lot of freaking snow. Okay, look at my car here. Look at that. How am I supposed to get this crap out of here? That's supposed to be another wood pile. Oh man, I just want to show you some of the aftermath. Look at the snowdrift here, right up front of my house. Can't even tell that we shoveled yesterday. Let's see what our little guy says here. Remember this guy? Look at that. Kind of between 18 and 20. So I guess around like 19 inches or so. It's freaking crazy. It's actually a car under there. Look at my leg. It's like, I can like barely even walk through this crap. Bunny tracks? Maybe. They look like bunny tracks. Leading right under my deck. I hope they were able to keep sanctuary throughout the storm. Looks like they have, since they're out and about today. Dude, this crap is like freaking knee deep. Look at this. Look. Ah! I can like barely freaking walk out here, man. God, this is terrible. But look at all these neat little animal tracks. Right to a tree. If you can see from the tree up the hill to the woods. It's so cute. These are my people tracks through the yard in this extremely deep snow. This is out back. There's a hot tub again. This is our outdoor fireplace thing, and as you can see, the inside where the wood burns is completely full of snow. Let's venture out here. Right here you can see our swing set, which is almost buried. Look at our swings. There's just like big piles of snow in our swings, and you can barely see the bottom of our slide. Can't even get in our shed. What is this big mound, you wonder? Look at this. Big mound here. I wonder what it is. Let's find out. God, what's under here? Ah, what is that? It's my niece's car, and it's completely buried. I would dig more, but my hand's too cold. I showed you my deck yesterday. Let's see it today. Here are the stairs leading up to the deck. Hope I can walk on them. Okay. Look at this. Can barely tell my dad was walking out here yesterday. There's just little tiny holes now. Oh man. Look at these chairs. You can't even see the ring around the halfway down the bottom of the chairs. Oh man. There's actually a box right there. You can't really tell. And look at this. There's a bunny buried in the snow. Poor thing. Let's clean him off a bit. There he is. Little bunny. Do you remember yesterday? The lighthouse on the table? Let's take a look at it today. Oh geez. You can't even tell it's there, can you? Look at this crap. That's all you can see of it. It's actually under there somewhere. There's our supposed wood pile again. What do we have here? Some bird tracks? Maybe. Oh, bird seed. Fallen from our bird feeder hanging here. Which we don't exactly call a bird feeder anymore. You know why? Because birds hardly ever eat from it. It's mostly the stupid squirrels. Let's see if I can fix this crap. Stupid squirrels always getting into this crap and birds can never eat it. Ah, well, I'll fix it once I turn the camera off. But you can tell, look at the railing here. That's all the snow the squirrels have knocked over, trying to get around, to get up here to open this thing and knock all the seeds out. Poor birds are left starving. Poor things. Well, this is Stacy Bum Bum. Enjoy your blizzard.